Have you ever wondered what gadgets the world's top hackers use to breach systems? In this intriguing world, hackers employ a variety of specialized gadgets, each with their unique capabilities. From the compact yet powerful Raspberry Pi to the deceptive USB rubber ducky and the seemingly innocent Wi-Fi Pineapple, these tools are at the heart of many high-profile hacks. Today we'll uncover these fascinating devices, exploring their functions and how they've shaped the landscape of cyber warfare. Prepare to delve into the secret world of hacking tools. First on our list is the Raspberry Pi, a tiny but powerful computer. This credit card-sized machine can run full-fledged operating systems, making it an ideal tool for hackers. Its compact size enhances its portability, allowing hackers to carry it discreetly. Moreover, the Raspberry Pi is incredibly versatile. It can be programmed for various tasks from network monitoring to data scraping. Despite its small size, the Raspberry Pi is a formidable tool in the hands of a skilled hacker. Next, we have the USB rubber ducky, a hacker's dream for infiltrating systems. Don't be fooled by its innocent guise, it's more than just a typical flash drive. It's a covert device designed for keystroke injection, a technique that allows hackers to send commands at lightning speed. It's like having a fast typist inside your computer, executing commands while you blink. This seemingly harmless little gadget can wreak havoc in the wrong hands. The USB rubber ducky proves that even the most innocuous gadgets can be powerful hacking tools. Our third gadget is the Wi-Fi Pineapple, a hacker's key to wireless networks. This tiny device, no larger than a pocketbook, can exploit Wi-Fi networks with startling ease. It intercepts Wi-Fi signals, dupes devices into connecting, and then serves as a gateway for all data traffic. This allows for man-in-the-middle attacks, where the hacker can intercept, read, and modify data in transit. It's a stark reminder of the potential vulnerabilities in our wireless world. The Wi-Fi Pineapple showcases how vulnerable wireless networks can be to determined hackers. Today, we've explored just a few of the many gadgets that hackers use. The Raspberry Pi, a tiny yet mighty computer, enables hackers to perform complex tasks. Its size and affordability make it a go-to for many. Then we have the USB rubber ducky, a seemingly harmless USB stick, but in reality it's a keystroke injection tool that can execute malicious scripts in a matter of seconds. Lastly, the Wi-Fi Pineapple, a device that can mimic trusted networks, luring unsuspecting devices to connect and thus making them vulnerable to attacks. These gadgets are not only fascinating, but they also underscore the importance of cybersecurity. They serve as a reminder that in our increasingly connected world, we must remain vigilant and proactive. Cyber threats are real and ever-evolving, and understanding the tools of the trade is key. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding these hacking gadgets is a step towards better security. Until next time, stay safe in the digital world.